Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. Have many people asked me about my candy corn. So, we're going to do candy corn today. I even dressed for it with the hat, taking this stuff to the gathering. So at the gathering, if somebody comes up with a candy corn that I don't own, I have a gift for them. So we're going to go through. I didn't do this video ahead of time so people didn't have a whole lot of time to shop. They'll have to find it in the next 5 days. All right, number one. This one is apple. This one, I'm not really sure. It's kind of a chocolatey caramel color. Sheila sent it to me and I forgot to write the name down. This is one of the first ones I got that I forgot names on this one and this one. Sheila sent both of these and I forgot the names. But this one's kind of a caramel flavored, so I'm thinking maybe a salted caramel or something like that on this one. Sheila also sent this one and it is blackberry, not blueberry, blackberry. It took me a few minutes and I couldn't figure out the taste, but this one, blackberry. Okay, we have here, this one is red, white, and blue, 4th of July. Red, pink, and white for Valentine's. Holiday corn, green, red, and white. Pastel colors for Easter. Not to be forgotten, but Halloween. These are witches' teeth, green and white. The candles were sent to me at the last gathering. These are M&M candy corns. This one is sea salt chocolate. Of course, we have the pumpkins, the footballs. We have mini candy corn. And, of course, Danny's Indian corn. This one is apple cider, chocolate mint cookies, spice, caramel apple. This one is just caramel, an autumn mix. This one is really good. This is a cookie candy corn. It has 3 different types of cookies in it. It has butter, chocolate, and ginger snap cookies, I think, in it. Reindeer corn, regular candy corn made with honey, Starburst, and a jar that's almost empty. These are marshmallow candy corns. They've been dehydrated. So Sherry, I'm almost out, just saying. Okay guys, so this is my candy corn. Like I said, I don't know what 2 of them are, but other than that, this is what I have. If you can find anything that I don't have, I will have a couple of gifts. I've got 2 gifts to give away for the candy corn if you find something that I don't have. So thank you guys from Crazy Days.